Good morning, everybody. It is 10:05 in the morning. I am just now starting to move around this morning. I've been having a lazy morning. I have been having lazy mornings lately due to moving and everything. So yeah, giving my body a break. But it's time to get out of that lazy girl era. And so it's August 27th. So yesterday was my first day at work, and so my body is just trying to get used to going back to work and everything, and getting my body back into a routine and so on. So we're doing that today, and if you guys like to join me, then keep on watching. So I need to work on my room a bit. So I think that's what we're gonna do next, is tidy up my room. And if you guys need to tidy up your room but you're feeling too lazy, this is your sign to do that right now, just so you can feel better and your environment can feel better as well, and your mind will definitely be happier too. I am eating taco pie. It's a recipe my mom found off of Pinterest. It is so good. It is keto friendly, just a taco without the shell. I'm just organizing and cleaning my vanity just because I don't know about you guys. I cannot work in a messy environment when my makeup is all disorganized and everything. It's like, where is everything? I can't find it. I don't like that at all. So I always need to reorganize my vanity just so I can be able to work correctly. So some of this stuff I don't know what to do with yet. Well, some of it is my mom's craft things, and she is making one of my closets into her crafting closet just because we don't really have a lot of storage room in this apartment, which kind of sucks. And we would get a garage, but that's $200 a month, so no. But yeah. So the boxes are just gonna stay right here for now. So I'm not gonna do that. I just cleaned my, let me move my cup. I just cleaned up, like tidy up my vanity right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something to eat and whatnot. If you haven't washed your makeup brushes, this is your sign to wash them, because you need to wash them at least once a week to get all the germs and the makeup off of your brushes and the debris. I think, and I'm gonna put some that's up here above my skull and going on into my bed area. So we shall see how well that turns out, because I have two different kinds of bats and everything. So I have this kind, and I believe I got them from Target. But not sure if they have that there this year. Target. Oh no, some are missing. And these kind. We'll see how well these stick. If they don't stick, I do have tape, so we will put that on there too. Let's get. She's looking a little crusty, a little bit. So we're gonna put this. all done with the bats. I like how it came out. That's it for today's video. Just remember, it is okay to be lazy sometimes, but you don't have to do a whole lot to be productive. You can do very little and you can still be productive. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel to become part of my family here on YouTube. Turn the bell notification buttons on and give this video a thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.